Hi everyone, this is Ash from Fast Bundle, and I'm here to walk you through our cross-sell offer. So, cross-selling is basically offering complementary products, or products that go well together or enhance a set, to increase average order value, to encourage customers to buy more and get a deal, and thereby increasing your sales. Now, this can be done through various bundle offers, such as add-ons or frequently bought together offers. And I'm going to show you a few right here on our demo store. So, for example, you can offer complementary products to go well with your main product, or you can offer frequently bought together bundles that your previous customers have actually bought together before. And this can be powered by AI as well, by the way, which is great, right? Or it could be a cross-sell offer, where you can offer product options directly on the main product page. So, for example, right here you can offer the iPad as a single product, or the iPad with its charging assets, or the iPad with the pencil and a power bank. And all of this is a great way to cross-sell products on the product page itself, where the intent to buy is great. And now we can go ahead and build our first cross-sell offer together. So here is what I intend to create with Fast Bundle. It's a cross-sell offer on the iPad Pro, and I want to offer the iPad Pro with the pencil, or the iPad Pro with the pencil and a Magic Keyboard. So let's go right ahead to the Fast Bundle app. We simply go ahead and create a cross-sell offer. The main product, of course, will be the iPad Pro, and then the first option will be the iPad itself, so no changes there. And then the second option is going to be the iPad with the pencil. And then I'm going to name this one simply the iPad with the pencil 10 off. And then I have an image ready for this one. And then I'm going to create a third option, which will be the iPad with the pencil and also the Magic Keyboard at 15% off. And I'm simply going to change the name and add a picture that I have here to help demonstrate the option better. And I can just go ahead and save this. And now let's take a look at it together. So as you can see, the options are laid out, and you can see the variants that your customers can choose. And then you can choose the product option that you want and add it to the cart. As simple as that. So hopefully this video has been useful in helping you increase AOV through cross-selling products. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And thanks for watching.